Before we continue, don't forget to hit the like button.
If your car ever gets too hot, just go, stop it.
The customer brought their car in because they needed a new battery. The technician found out the customer had made their own battery that worked perfectly and started the car with no problems.
Homemade electricity. It works. Oh, it's actually put together better than I thought it would be.
Customer states battery has to be jumped.
On today's episode of What is in the Oil Pan of My Subaru Engine, let us find out. Oh, candy! This is typical of... That's a piston ring. This is typical of a Subaru motor. That's a big piece. Yeah, very good. Oh, hang on. Let's get a handful of it, people. Oh, yes. Oh, my goodness. Wow. So yummy.
Temperature is good. Oil pressure. Oh, it works. Never mind.
Okay, so if this is where it's leaking, then why isn't this flat and it's flat down there?
Look, as mechanics, it's sometimes hard to explain what we see because words really don't tell the story. This, however, tells a story. We don't know what story it's telling, but it's a story.
This guy lost his patience waiting for his parts ordered weeks ago, so he used bread as a head gasket. This Dodge Ram 1500 came in due to a transmission problem. The technician discovered a rebar cage welded to the car to prevent catalytic converter theft.
No wrong with it. It ain't got no gas in it.
Alright, let me get this right. I have no oil pressure. My battery's on par with Iron Man's arc reactor. There's maybe a drop of fuel in the tank. And my engine is as hot as the Sahara Desert. Oh, also I have no RPM. With all that being said, she still runs like a champion.
Imagine explaining this to the insurance company with no video.
Have you guys ever seen an exhaust mod that looks like this? How about this? That is a straight T. Bam, look at that. It did a 45-degree cut. Sound check.
On today's Wheel of Fortune. CV axle!
Yay!
Customer drove in on this.
customer stated she filled her vehicle up full of gas, took it home, parked it, came back out the next morning and it wouldn't start. Said the gas light was flashing on. Well, everything looked normal. Someone drilled a hole in her gas tank and stole all her gas.
All right, customer states windshield wiper fluid not working. Go ahead and hit it. Oh.
I think I got myself here a problem.
Customer states engine running rough.
Customer states having a hard time accelerating. You don't say. That's nuts.
And here we have the classic my friend can do it for cheaper, running machine screws and wood screws through sway bar bushings that are clearly worn out and needing repair. They're cheap, accessible, easy to do.
It's full right to the top. That's unreal.
Still seems like she's running fine. Piston rod, oil pan, everything looks okay in there.
Bro, there's no way. There's no way, bro. Yo, that's hilarious. I was like, is my vision just blurry or something? Like,
all I have to say is wow. Plug worked. Still holds there. So 5.0 Mustang takes how many quarts of oil? This is 8.5, 7 quarts. We'll call that 7.5. Another 7, another 6.5, plus half a quart.
And then add 2 for the one on the floor.
And then what's still coming out?
We have a Pirelli with 2 bubbles in it. I'll move around to the driver's side of the vehicle. Got some Mucho Machos on the front. And in the back, we got the Ling Longs, bruh.
So I pulled my daughter's car home last Friday because it wouldn't start. And I thought, well, it's just a solenoid. After about 4 or 5 hours of troubleshooting and tracking down wires, it starts. So you want to see what the problem was? Oh, so pretty. Oh no, nothing. Are you kidding me?
And that's it for today's video. Don't forget to send us your photos and videos for a chance to be featured in our next one. Thanks for watching and see you guys next time.